Hi everyone! So today's video I've filmed a festival colourful eye makeup look. I've been invited to a festival themed party, so I thought while doing my makeup I'd turn it into a tutorial. If you like this look, please keep watching. To prime my face today I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. While that primer soaks into my skin, I'm going to be taking my MAC eyebrow pencil just to fill in my eyebrows. I'm now taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer under my eyebrows to neaten everything up so they don't look messy, and then I'm also going to use this as a base for my eyeshadow. To set that concealer, I'm just taking my Rimmel Stay Matte Translucent Powder. So the first colour I'm taking to do my eyeshadow today is this one. I'm doing my eyeshadow first because this is a very bright look and some of the eyeshadows have a bit of fallout, so I don't want to do them after I've done all my foundation and then have to redo it. I'm just packing this orange colour in my crease of basically the first half of my eyelid. When I feel like this is bright enough, I'm just going to take this slightly lighter orange just to blend out so there's no harsh lines. Just using really light hand and circular motions. I'm then taking this bright pink colour from Urban Decay and I'm doing the exact same as I did with that orange colour and putting it in the outer half of my eye. Really want to pack a lot of this colour on to try and get it as bright as possible before we blend. I sometimes find that it's easier to put it on with my finger and it's more pigmented when I use my finger. I'm taking this brush that I used before that I used to blend the orange with, just to blend out the pink with as well. I'm using this to blend the two colours together. It's okay to be really messy while you're doing this because we're going to conceal here anyway, so it doesn't matter how messy you are, it'll get cleaned up. Next thing I'm going to do is take more of my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm going to cut my crease with a very flat brush. I find it easy to cut my crease when there's a lot of concealer on this brush, because if you've not got enough I find it goes all patchy in your crease and that's not what you want to happen. I'm just cutting 2/3 across of the eyelid. I'm going to leave this outer third. Then I'm taking my Fortune Favours the Brave palette from Revolution and just taking this white colour here to put all over my lid where we've just cut the crease. Then I'm going to take my pink shade again just to blend the crease and the pink together. Because we don't want any harsh lines. Now I'm going to do my other eye off camera and then I'll be back. For my eyeliner today I'm using the Urban Decay Razor Sharp Liquid Liner. This is the hardest part. For my foundation today, I'm using my Urban Decay All Night foundation. I feel like this is the best foundation to wear for a festival because it just lasts forever. This is my favourite foundation. I find this foundation applies best with the Beauty Blender. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal under my eyes. I feel like this is a good concealer for festival makeup as it's very full coverage and long lasting. Just again taking my Beauty Blender to blend that in. To get closer to my eyeliner, I'm going to take this flat brush that I used to cut my crease so that I can get really close without like going over my eyeliner, which I would probably do with the Beauty Blender. It's just a lot easier to do with a little brush. Wouldn't worry about getting too close to your lash line as we're going to go under there with some more eyeshadow anyway. To set my concealer and my foundation, I'm taking the NARS loose soft velvet powder. I'm now taking the same two colours that I used on my eyes just to go under my eye, and I'm using a small flat brush to do this. Now it's time for eyelashes. I'm using my Eyelure Texture Lashes number 117. When I apply my lashes, I use both tweezers and my finger. I just feel like this is the easiest way to do it, but eyelashes just take practice and you find the easiest way for you. When I apply them, I find it's easiest to stick the eyelash into the middle first. Then I do the outer corner, and then finally the inner corner. Once I've applied my lashes, I always take a bit of mascara to try blend my natural lashes in with the false lashes. Just doing like little wiggling movements, and then also putting it on my bottom lashes. To contour today, I'm taking the darkest shade from my W7 Shape Your Face contour kit. I always start at the top of my ear and then do a straight line down. I don't like to go too far down, maybe halfway between my ear and the corner of my lip. To bronze my face, I'm using my Too Faced Milk Chocolate bronzer. And I'm just blending that in with my contour and a bit above my contour as well. I'm also taking my bronzer from the top of my forehead and just using light strokes of the brush. I always think less is more with contouring and bronzer because you can always build it up, but once you've put too much on, it's hard to fix. I forgot to finish off my eyes, so I'm going to do that now. I'm just taking some white eyeliner from NYX and using a really thin brush, I'm going to put that in my waterline. I'm also going to take the very thin line under where I've put my black eyeliner. Then I'm going back in with my mascara to go on the bottom lashes because that white has gone on my bottom lashes. For my highlighter, I'm taking my Urban Decay Naked Illuminated highlighter. It would help if I got the brush. I'm just taking this highlighter on my cheekbones. Then on top of where I've put the highlight, I'm going to take some glitter from Barry M. I'm just using my finger to put this on. I'm just putting this on one side of my face, but obviously if you wanted to, you could put it on both. For the rest of my face, I'm using this pink Becca highlighter. So I'm just going to put that on my nose and on my cupid's bow. Maybe a little bit on my chin as well. For my lipstick today, I'm taking this nude liquid lipstick and liner from Kylie Cosmetics. The final product I'm going to use is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray because we want our makeup to last as long as possible. So this is my finished look. I'm actually pretty proud of myself because I've never done anything colourful like this before, and I think it turned out pretty well. I hope this video was helpful and that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.